Hello everyone, we are here in Chester, New York today, working on a sunroom that got hit by a large branch from a large tree during a very dangerous storm. Let's go take a look at it. So when this first happened, the customer had a local contractor temporarily cover the space up until we could get to it. Once we were able to get our hands on the materials that we would need to repair it, we got right on it and repaired the damage. Since the majority of the glass was damaged by the branch, we were thus able to secure a brand new 20-year warranty from Four Seasons for the brand new glass. Okay, we're back in Chester with that big branch that landed on top of our sunroom. Let's see what it looks like now.